Hi, in this video, I will guide you through setting up and running our ePortfolio course. We'll explore the overview and some key elements of my course design, my goals, and the instructor's role. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So this course will be called Transforming Classroom Practice with ePortfolios. This is going to be your first three modules, as well as the FAQs. So on our first module, you'll take a look. This kind of sets the stage for the course. This module introduces the course structure, the objectives, the ePortfolio setup, ensuring that students feel comfortable and prepared when they begin. So here we have a video overview and an introductory document that are accessible through here. When you complete these, you will also be asked to complete these two activities, which is kind of just watching the video, reviewing, and setting up your initial structure of your ePortfolio. Once you finish this, you'll be able to upload it here. Going to our second module, this is the initial setup and configuration. So our instructional design uses a mix of interactive, reflective elements. This guides students through the ePortfolio setup with tutorials and practice activities. This approach keeps students that are actively engaged from the start. As for our goals, the overview module clearly outlines each goal, which is helping students understanding the expectations. When our goals are clear, then our students stay motivated. And this goes the same for either it is teachers who are taking this course to help their students, or maybe a parent or other type of push-in teacher. Here as well, we have an objective, step-by-step instructions, a video tutorial, and as well as a checklist that kind of helps us go through to make sure we covered all of our steps. You're also going to have some activities for Module 2. So follow the step-by-step instructions to how to set up your ePortfolio, and then upload a sample artifact of the practice to have the upload process kind of familiarized so you know how to use the process. For module number 3, we have adding content and reflections. So when we go through each of these activities, they each align with the course's outcomes. This ensures that the person that's working on this is directly contributing to their learning goals. This is able to keep the person who's taking this engaged and aware of their progress, and it also helps us make sure that that's what we are having our students do. So this course itself, it's very self-directing learning. It allows people to take ownership of their ePortfolios, and it's a student-centered approach, which makes for deeper engagement. Here you're going to have your video tutorial, some sample reflections, and best practices document. The Building Your Site is a YouTube video showing a step-by-step process on how to upload artifacts, reflection prompts. So this is going to be from grades K through 12. You're going to have different prompts that you can go over, some examples, and as well as best practices that are going to help us. These are some tips and tricks just to help us use and maximize the benefits to enhance all of this learning. When you finish going over all of this material, you're going to go ahead and go to your activities. This is where you're going to upload your completed assignments or projects to your ePortfolio, write a reflection on the artifacts that you have added, and organize your content. So this is a place where you can write your about me and everything and such. So to foster a community, we need to start with our introductory. So that's where we have our getting started guide. This helps build connection and supports engagement throughout the course. When we are working with these ePortfolios, it is a good thing to help students to be able to streamline all of their reflections and their working. Once you get done with this course, you'll be actively ready to help all your students create ePortfolios. If you have any questions, there is an FAQ page. So this is going to go ahead and answer some of our frequently